How to screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp latest update. Take screenshot of WhatsApp DP. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how to do this quickly and easily. Now, you basically want to go ahead and make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp in order to make sure that we have the same features on the application right here. Right after, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application. And so if we go ahead and take a screenshot normally from our WhatsApp right here, you can then go ahead and see a message called screen capture block. And so in order to go ahead and get around the security feature, you can just go ahead and click on a profile once more. Right after taking a screenshot, you can just go ahead and crop the image in order to make it a full screen screenshot, and from there you will be able to get around the security features of WhatsApp. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.